People seem to think that intermittent fasting is just a golden ticket. As long as you intermittent fast, you can eat what you want and not put on weight. Hey guys, Ben here with If Nutrition, and in today's video I want to clear up something that I've been hearing quite a lot recently from doctors and a whole host of other people that should know better, and that is people are saying that they can eat whatever they want as long as they intermittent fast, and this simply isn't true. Even if you are intermittent fasting, as good as it is, it just makes it easier to consume fewer calories within a day. Because traditionally when people intermittent fast, they normally skip out breakfast, which means going straight into lunch, maybe having a snack in the afternoon and having a good dinner. So there's a shorter feeding window, which means that there is less time to be consuming calories. So because you're not consuming breakfast and maybe a mid-morning snack, those calories come straight out of what you're consuming. This makes it a lot easier for people to stick, especially to a calorie deficit when they want to lose weight. It's why people find that intermittent fasting is a really good vehicle for weight loss and also then maintaining weight. But it is not a golden ticket to just be able to eat whatever you want in whatever quantity you want and still keep your weight within a certain limit or lose weight. Just simply isn't going to happen. It's energy balance. Your body needs a certain amount of calories per day to maintain the weight you're at. If you consume more calories, you're going to put weight on. If you consume fewer calories, you're going to lose weight. It's as simple as that. So regardless of whether you're intermittent fasting or not, if you consume a ton of calories within a day, more than your maintenance calories, you are going to put weight on. It's as simple as that. So to answer the question and clear it up, no, you absolutely cannot eat whatever you want as long as you intermittent fast. It is not just a golden ticket. So I wish that people just stop kind of perpetuating this crap that as long as you intermittent fast you can eat whatever you want. It is not that simple. Yes, it's a fantastic vehicle for weight loss and maintaining your weight because your feeding window is a lot shorter, but it is not a golden ticket. Also, with the foods that you are consuming, you need to make sure that they are nutrient rich, which means that they are close to source and good for you because your body needs the nutrients. Yes, you can still lose weight as long as you keep your calories down, eating a load of takeaways and a load of rubbish, but there is not much nutrients in there. You're going to get ill and you're not going to be giving your body what it needs to stay fit and healthy, especially if you're trying to lose weight and you're in a calorie deficit. So make sure the food choices you make are good ones. So again, to clear it up, no, just because you intermittent fast does not give you a golden ticket to eat whatever you want. So I hope you found this video useful. I hope it clears that up. I hope people stop bounding around this crap that is just totally untrue, because it's causing people a lot of misery because people are then following it and wondering why they are not losing weight. And it is not really a mystery. If you consume more calories than you need, you're going to put weight on. It's as simple as that. So I hope this clears it up. I hope you found this video useful. As always, if you've liked the video, make sure you smash the like button. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon to get notified as soon as I release new content just like this, and I will see you in the next video.